In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer primary ownership of Google My Business to somebody else. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in My Business, which will open up this kind of dashboard for you. What you want to do is click on View Profile next to your username, and then once you click it, you'll be able to see this dashboard over here. Now, over here, make sure you are logged in with your Google account, so the one you have your business running with. Once you've done that, you want to go over here to those three dots. So at the very top right here, you want to click on these and then tap Business Profile Settings. From here, you want to click on People and Access, which is the first thing up top. And in here, you want to press Add. Then you want to add in the email address of the new primary ownership you would like to have. So if you'd like to have somebody as a primary owner, type in his email address and then make sure under access you click on owner. After this, press invite, and after they accept via their email, because they will get a prompt, they'll be able to become the primary owner. You'll be able to just go out here and then you'll see yourself and that other person you essentially put as primary owner, and then you just want to delete yourself from the list, and just like that, you've successfully transferred your primary ownership. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel